Hi guys, good to see you again. Today you will learn how to make and use the future continuous tense. As usual, let's start with a positive or affirmative form. To make it, we need a subject, for example, I, will, be, and the ing form of a verb, for example, writing.
I will be writing. You will be writing. He will be writing. She will be writing. It will be writing. We will be writing. You will be writing. They will be writing.
To make the negative form, we need a subject, will, not, be, and the ing form of a verb. For example, traveling.
I will not be traveling. You will not be traveling. He will not be traveling. She will not be traveling. It will not be traveling. We will not be traveling. You will not be traveling. They will not be traveling.
To make questions, we need will, a subject, be, and the ing form of a verb. For example, working.
Will I be working? Will you be working? Will he be working? Will she be working? Will it be working? Will we be working? Will you be working? Will they be working?
And to make WH questions, we start questions with question words like what or why.
What will I be cooking? How will you be traveling? What will he be watching? Where will she be studying? Why will it be raining? What will we be eating? When will you be working? Why will they be painting?
And now that you know how to make the future continuous tense, let's talk about how to use it. We use it to talk about actions that will happen in the future and will be in progress at a given point in the future.
I'll be cleaning when you come home. This time tomorrow we'll be sunbathing in Italy. He'll be working at 8. Try calling him around 7. We'll be watching a film in the evening.
We use it to talk about new or temporary future actions.
We'll be working together for some time. I won't be eating meat for a month. This time I'll be studying really hard. New school, new life.
We also use the future continuous tense to talk about future parallel actions, which means actions that will be happening at the same time.
I'll be playing computer games and you'll be watching TV. They'll be painting the fence and we'll be mowing the lawn. It'll be a nice party. We'll be dancing, laughing and eating delicious food.
And now let's do the exercise. Watch this playlist to learn more about future tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!